Hi, this is a video on Thurston Avenue, A103. So today we're going to look at some notes and some abbreviations on some of the objects that we see in our blueprints. So down here I want to look at this window. So I'm in the bottom right corner of the print. You're going to find this number is the window number. The NL 12.0 SF is natural light in square footage. So in this case there's 12 square feet of natural light on that window. The NV is natural ventilation in square footage. So there's 6 square foot of natural ventilation in that window, which means we can open it up and allow air to move in. Some other things while we're right here, we'll see in our bedroom, we'll see a 123 SF. That's the square footage of this room. And then we see SF NL REQ 9.8. And what that means is we have 9.8 square footage of natural light for this bedroom required. So that square footage of natural light required is 9.8. Down here you'll see a 4.9, and that's square footage of natural ventilation required. And it's just like the codes in the town of Lindridge, we have the same thing. We have a certain amount of square footage of natural light and natural ventilation each room has to have. In this case, the architect is giving us that information. Some other things I want to point out to you, I'm going to go up here to this staircase. We're going to do a lot with this stair. And there's this huge, really long note here. I'm going to ask a question specifically about this note, and it has to do with the structure of how we hold the railing up for this staircase. But what's really important to learn a lot about the railing in the staircase, we'll see this provide handrails per D5 and F5 A001. What that's telling us to do is go to page A001. So we're going to do that now. And we're going to find D5. So here's D5, our detail of our staircase. And we'll see there's a whole bunch of information here about our stairs. It shows us how big our treads are. It shows us how far above the nosing the handrail has to be. It shows us how far past the top of the staircase the handrail has to stick past. Again, it's showing us how far that railing is off the floor. If I go up here a little bit more, and part of this F5, because that was also the other piece of that note, remember it was D5 and F5, this shows us the OD of the steel handrail. And then what OD stands for is outside diameter. So there's a 1.5 inch outside diameter. That's the outside of a pipe that handrail is going to be made up of. So there's some things just to look at on this drawing. Good luck on the quiz. Let me know if you need help.